Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the offload unused apps feature on your iPhone. Now this sometimes happens when you have an app you haven't used for a while, and then it will go ahead and almost delete that app or the data that is not being used. So what we can do to disable that function is go ahead and open settings on our iPhone. Now I'm demonstrating this on the iPhone 16 Pro Max with iOS 18, so yours might be slightly different, but it should be close to the same. So what you want to do on the settings screen is go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for App Store. Go ahead and select App Store next, and then on the following screen, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option right here for offload unused apps, and you want to make sure that that is toggled off. Once you go ahead and toggle that off, you will not have the offloading feature used anymore in the future automatically. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.